Uwais says, being an interior designer, what should I do or say when a Hindu client asks me to design a special place in their home for their ritual, puja? If I design the Pooja Room, will my entire income from that project be haram? The answer is no. Your entire income would not be haram. Part of it would be. But is it permissible? The answer is no. You must not associate or collaborate. You must not assist others in their haram and kufr disbelief rituals. So someone comes to you and asks you to build them a church or a synagogue or a Hindu temple or a Buddhist temple. This is all totally prohibited for you to assist them. And this is a commercial thing. So you may simply say, I decline. I don't want to work for you. If you want Jannah. But if you're interested only in this dunya and want to make money and you do not care about heaven and or hell, that's a different issue. So if someone comes to you and says, I need you to design this house for me and I have a cellar for wine, I'd like you to design. Definitely not. Haram. He says to you, I need you to make me some tunnels so that when the police raids my home, I can run away and take my drugs because I'm a drugs dealer. No. He says, I need you to make half of my house a brothel for prostitution. Again, and likewise, any type of vice, it is prohibited for you to collaborate with them.